Hi everyone! In this video we're going to talk on how to build your site's header using Bimber's Header Builder tool. The builder is available from the Customizer panel, so let's open it. Now let's navigate to the header section. We have here all headers options. We will get back to them later, but now let's open the builder. On the left side you have some predefined compositions, but we'll create here our own. Take a look at the builder's workspace and its desktop view. To add or remove an element, you just need to drag and drop it in or out of the workspace. Let's move some elements. Use the cog icon for a column to change elements' alignment and how the column grows with elements. As you can see, just the menu bar is sticky now, but let's say we want to have the logo sticky as well. Let's use the cog icon for the logo row and enable the sticky option for that row too. To change options for an element, just click on it. The context menu will show up on the left. Let's change the size and label of the Create button to show how the changes apply instantly to the preview. Let's jump now to the mobile view to adjust that view as well. Let's move an entire row up and add the Create button. Now it's time for the off-canvas view. Let's reorder its elements and then, using the context menu on the left, let's change the background image. Now let's get back to the desktop view and play with the colors. Each row has its own letter, A, B or C, and the respective settings for colors are in the left panel. Let's change the color for the logo row. It's row B, so let's open the row B panel and adjust the background. The background was set, so let's get back to the header main menu and take a look at the other options. All the options were already explained, except for the featured entries, so let's check that at the end. Let's make them bigger and full width as an example. That's all in this tutorial. Thank you for watching, bye bye!